Hey everyone, it's Matt Arlen, and today I'm at a Bluebird school bus dealership. I'm sitting in a brand new 2020 Bluebird Vision propane, and somebody requested me to do another Bluebird Vision tour, so I thought I'd go ahead and use this to fill that request. So this bus has the exterior light monitor, all your typical buttons that you're used to seeing. Gray seats with seat belts. And 3 emergency exit windows on both sides of the bus, and 2 roof escape hatches, and the child reminder system. Okay. I don't know which way it's pronounced, Pebble or Peeble step treads, but you know what I'm talking about. There we go. There's a good shot. Propane. There's the logo, but you can't quite see it. Yellow grill. Here's a shot of the back. And the manual shut-off valve is underneath. So here's the tank for the propane would be put into. It looks like this bus has an air ride suspension seat. And this feature right here, the adjustable pedals, even though it's an option, that's one of my favorite features on the new Bluebird Visions. Nope, the power doesn't work unless the bus is running. And here's a storage compartment above the driver's seat. Power mirrors. And here's the hazards and switch, because the Bluebird Visions that my district has, which are gasoline engines, oh, I didn't know that. There's 2 options. Well, that one's not doing anything. Let's see if this one works. There we go. And there you have it. And before I go, I need to point out some important things so everyone will know. The rules are different from dealership to dealership. So one of the rules that I have to follow here at this Bluebird dealership is no starting the engines, and plus the keys aren't even in here anyway. So when I'm at this Bluebird dealership, I won't be able to make any startup videos. And one more thing, I know I've had some people request some videos of me driving buses, but even though I said it in the comments, I'm just going to say it again. I do not have my CDL, so me driving buses, that is not going to happen. So that's it until next time.